To find an article at the Moorpark College Library, start with the library's homepage. Enter your search terms into the search box or OneSearch to find a list of our resources. From the results page, go to the left side of the page to find limiters under Refine My Results. Under Resource Type, select Articles. To filter your results further, click on Availability and choose Peer-Reviewed Journals. Find an article of interest and select the title. Under View Online, Full Text Availability, click on the database that stores the article. This article is in Gale Academic One file. The abstract provides a summary of the article's content. Once you've found a good article for your research, use the tools available on this page. For example, you can use the links available in the Explore box to find additional articles related to your topic. Go to the Related Subjects to see related words to refine your search. At the top of the article, you will find tools for translating the text into other languages, adjusting the font size, and having the article read to you. There are also tools that will allow you to save the article to your Google Drive or OneDrive. You can also email or download the article. In the upper right side of the screen above the article's title, there's a citation tool that can be used for creating an MLA or APA citation for the article. To do so, click on the Cite icon. A small window will pop up that contains the citation for the article. Once you have the format you need, you can use the button to select the text and then copy and paste it into your paper. Always refer back to a style guide to ensure the citation is correct. If you need more assistance using Gale Academic One file or OneSearch to locate resources, contact an MC librarian or use the chat feature on our homepage. Thank you for listening.